50% of accountants fail the CMA exam each year due to 10 common mistakes. Today, you'll discover what those mistakes are, plus you'll learn how to fix them to ensure you pass your CMA exam on the first try. Starting with numero uno. This isn't college anymore. Simply memorizing formulas won't cut it for the CMA exam. You also need to focus on understanding concepts in depth. Create mind maps or discuss topics with peers or a CMA coach. Real-world applications make all the difference in assimilating complex concepts. By the way, if you don't know me yet, I am Nathan Liao. I help accounting and finance professionals pass the CMA exam in 16 weeks and on the first attempt. Start by downloading my free CMA exam cheat sheet. It's packed with the 9 best strategies to pass the exam, and the link is in the description. Mistake number 2, skipping practice exams. It's like running a marathon without any training. Crazy, right? Consistently take mock exams. They'll help you in 3 ways. You'll get used to the online simulation exam format, you'll improve your time management, and learn how to evaluate and process calculations under time pressure. It's impossible to just wing it with the CMA exam. Proper training is critical to your success. Coming in at 3, not giving love to those essay questions. They might seem intimidating, but this is the section of the exam where you can gain massive points if done correctly. There's only one way to get good at answering essay questions. Practice, practice, and more practice. Writing concise and relevant answers is key. And hey, get someone to help you understand them better if you're struggling. But whatever you do, don't skip essay practice exams. Remember, cramming is not your friend here. Set a study schedule and stick to it. Consistent, short bursts of focused study are more effective than last-minute cramming. Remember mistake number 1, over-relying on memorization? If you procrastinate, mistake number 1 will naturally occur due to last-minute cramming. Halfway there with number 5, not reviewing your mistakes. The gold is in the feedback, my friend. After each practice exam, review every mistake, understand why you went wrong, and this is how you learn and grow. I know it can feel like a lot of work, and it'd be much easier to just take a new practice exam. However, reviewing past mistakes will help you avoid them in the future. Do you believe the CMA exam is designed to be too tough to pass? Let's debate in the comments below. Let's be honest, don't reinvent the wheel. Join a CMA prep course. Don't go at it alone. There's just so much you need to learn to pass the exams. A proper review course will give you all the study tools you need to succeed. Surrounding yourself with expertise can give you a much needed edge. Lucky number 7? Nope, it's a mistake. Burning the midnight oil right before the exam. Your brain needs rest to perform at its best. Get a good night's sleep before the exam day. Trust me, you'll thank yourself. The CMA exam is 4 hours long and is grueling, so a well-rested mind will give you the mind power you need. I have a free resource to help you pass the exam on the first try. Download my free CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It's packed with the 9 best strategies to ace the exam, and the download link is in the description. Number 8, and it's a biggie, neglecting to memorize all the formulas. Yeah, I know I said understanding is crucial, but let's be real, those formulas, they're your secret weapon. While understanding the concepts is paramount, ensure you also have all essential formulas at the tip of your fingertips. Flashcards or a formula sheet can be super handy for this. Rolling into number 9, the classic second guessing. Once you've made a choice, it's usually best to stick with it. Trust your first instinct, unless you find clear evidence you were wrong. If you second guess your every answer, you won't have enough time to finish your exam. It's only 4 hours. And rounding out our list at number 10, mismanaging your exam time. Use the first few minutes to quickly scan the exam questions. Answer what you know first, then come back to the tougher ones. And always watch the clock because time will fly by. Running out of time is probably one of the biggest fears all CMA candidates have. Watch this next video to learn how to prevent this from happening to you.